Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Blanca. So for today's video, I have another Bath and Body Works haul for you guys. I don't know why I keep going on the website and watching a bunch of haul videos here on YouTube, and it's just making my fingers like itch, and I just start adding things to my cart and hitting the checkout button, and yeah, I placed another order. If you missed my first haul, I will have it linked in the description box down below, or I'll just insert it in a card up here. But please watch this one first, and then you can go ahead and watch the other one. My other haul was quite bigger, but I feel like I still got a lot of nice items this time around. A lot of the stuff that I purchased were things that I couldn't get the first time, and I just got up really early one day and I was just browsing. I'm like, I'm just gonna look, I'm not gonna buy anything. And yeah, one thing led to another, and here we are. So if you guys want to see what I got, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this on my channel. It really does help me out, and it lets me know that you are enjoying these videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, because that also helps my channel out tremendously. And thank you for all the views and love in my last video. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I have more stuff to show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. Okay, so I'm gonna just start off with body care, and then I'll do the hand sanitizer and then the candles, I guess. Or maybe I'll just start off with the hand sanitizer just to get it out of the way. I got 5 of these right here. This is the Pure Wonder. Just looks like that. I've already tried one of them, and you guys, it smells so good. It smells so fresh and clean. I love it. It's got these like little blue beads in there, and this just smells so good. I will have the prices on the side here so you can see how much I paid, but it smells so good. It smells like laundry to me. Is that what it's supposed to smell like? I don't know. I don't know what the notes of Pure Wonder are, but it smells good. It smells nice and clean, and it smells way better than the sanitizers that they have at the stores. Have you noticed that the hand sanitizers at the store stink? I feel like the scent has gotten worse and worse. It smells like very cheap vodka. It's disgusting. So I am happy that I picked these up, because now my hands smell nice and fresh and delicious, and they don't stink like tequila. Is it tequila or vodka? I don't know. Okay, so on to body care now. So I ended up picking up a backup of the Summertime Surf Body Cream. I already have the body mist and another one of these, but I really love this scent, so I wanted to have a backup because I know that I'm going to use it like crazy, especially in the summertime. This smells so good, you guys. And it just reminds me of like a man's cologne. It smells like Hollister. It's such a nice, warm, summery scent, and it just smells so delicious. The notes on this are vanilla breeze, sea salt sands, and sunny coconut. Look at the packaging as well. It's so cute. Yes. I also picked up Endless Weekend. Look at the packaging. It is so pretty. I'm obsessed. And the notes on this one are summer mandarin, blue coconut water, and vanilla sandalwood. Oh my god, it's delicious. And I also got the mist to go along with it. This smells so good, you guys. I feel like I've had this scent before, because it just smells so familiar. It reminds me of high school for some reason. It smells so good. It really reminds me of summertime and just the beach. Oh, it's such a beautiful scent. I'm so in love. I think I have the whole collection. I also have the pink watermelon, summertime surf, and then this. And out of all three of them, I would have to say Endless Weekend is my favorite one. I wish that I would have gotten a backup. This just smells so delicious. It's amazing. The packaging is beautiful. I am a sucker for packaging. Aren't they pretty? I have like this. I have a display in my room and it just looks so nice. I used to be so obsessed with California back in the day when I was younger. So anything that's like summery, has like palm trees, anything that's like California-ish, I love it. All right, so another scent I picked up is the Hope Winter Peach Marshmallow. Now I, once again, have never smelled this before and I just took a chance. And I wasn't too sure if I was going to like it because I'm not that big of a fan of peach. Just because when I was younger, well, like in my 20s, I bought this Smirnoff Ice peach drink and I got so sick, and it was peach flavored. And did I say that? And so anytime I would smell peach, I would just be like, mm. So I have tried to stay away from peach because I can't stand the smell of peach. So I don't even know why I got this, but I wanted to just give it a try. And if I didn't like it, I was like, I could just gift it to someone. But I am actually surprised that I like this scent. It smells really good. And I'm so shocked that I love it because I can smell the peach, but not really. I smell more of like marshmallow and something else. Orange? I don't know, but it smells really good. The scent notes for this are velvet peach, vanilla meringue, and creamy jasmine. It's sweet and it's not too strong. It's very light. So if you don't like peach, give this a try and you will be surprised because I definitely was. It's such a beautiful scent. Love it. Okay, so I ended up getting 2 strawberry pound cake body mists and I ended up getting 3 of the body creams. First of all, look at the packaging. Super cute. So cute, right? Look at this. Now, this is not all for me. I am going to be gifting, like this. I'm going to be gifting this set to someone very special. The scent notes for this are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. You guys, this, oh my God, it smells so good. It's super sweet. It smells like a strawberry pound cake. Yep. And I wasn't able to get this the first time around because every time I tried to add it to my cart, it was just like gone. It was sold out. If you're into very sweet gourmand scents, you're going to absolutely love this one. I know that a lot of people really enjoy this scent because I watched so many videos and everyone was just raving about this scent. So I'm so happy that I have 2 backups of the creams and I have the body mist to go along with it. Like I said, it takes me a while to go through the body mist, but the creams, I go through them pretty quickly. So I'm happy that I have all of that in my collection. Okay, so moving on to the candles now. I ended up getting 4 candles. When they arrived, they were so cold that one of them was so loose in the container. It's very cold. I live in Northern Ontario and the temperatures have been like minus 39 I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's cold. When they came, my candles were frozen. They were so cold. And I just decided to leave them. I took them out because I wanted to make sure that they weren't broken. One of them is broken, but they're sending a replacement over, so I'm happy about that. And I just put them back in the box. I don't know why, but yeah, I did. I think this is the broken one. I can hear, yeah, this is the broken one. Okay, so I ended up getting a brown sugar latte, and it just looks like this. The packaging is super cute. It wraps all the way around. I ended up getting 2 of these. So the glass is chipped right there. I don't know if you could see it. And then the wax is just like in pieces a little bit. And there's a crack also in the glass. So I feel like that's not safe to burn. So I did call customer service and they were so nice about it. And they let me pick any candle that I wanted from the website. So I ended up picking sprinkled birthday cake. So that is on its way and I'm so excited for that one. I just love vanilla scents, so I know that I'm going to love that one. But yeah, this one smells like coffee and I don't know, it smells kind of perfumey to me a little bit. Let's see, the scent notes on this are freshly roasted coffee, frothed milk, I can't say that word, frothed milk, and sugared praline. It smells really good. It smells pretty strong to me. So I think what I'm gonna do with this one is maybe just chop it up and then just melt it like in my wax melter thingy. I think just because it's so cold that, you know, the glass just breaks and the wax crumbles. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, this is the other brown sugar latte. This one is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's perfect. It smells so good. I ended up also picking up a strawberry pound cake. Oh, I'm so in love with the scent. Oh yeah, it smells so sweet and so good, you guys. Oh, I love it. The packaging is, I mean, the packaging is all right. It's okay. And the scent notes for the strawberry pound cakes, I'm pretty sure are the same as the body care. Yeah. Fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. It's so delicious. If you want your house to smell like you have been baking a strawberry pound cake all day long, you need this scent. Okay, and then the last candle that I got is, oh yeah, Mary Mimosa. It's got a nice green wax, and this smells really good. Oh, that's such a beautiful scent. So Mary Mimosa is sparkling champagne, red apple slices, and iced sugar crystals. This is a really nice, oh, it smells so good. I am so happy with all of the candle scents that I got. Okay, that's a really good one. Loving this one as well. So I am so excited for everything that I got, and I'm glad that I got all of these items. I need to organize my room and set everything up because I've had just a bunch of Bath and Body Works boxes just laying around my room, and I can finally put everything away. I am probably not going to shop for a while there. And I'm not going to because I have enough stuff already, and I can't buy any more. I'm just gonna wait until the next sale, like their semi-annual sale, which they have in the summertime, because I have so much stuff. Like, I don't know how I'm going to get through all of these candles, all of this body care, but I'm going to try my best to, so that I can buy some more later on. I see that they have already come out with so many other candles and so many other body care items. I especially want to try the t-shirt one, because I am such a laundry scented kind of person as well. I love those kind of scents, and I'm gonna have to wait, because I cannot buy anymore. Like, my room is starting to look like a department store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you shopped the sale more than once, let me know down below. I'm very curious to see if a lot of you shopped and went in more than once. And also, if you filmed your haul, like you have a YouTube channel and you filmed it, let me know. I would love to watch your haul and also show some love and support. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna go eat now because I am starving. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.